Hi everybody, it's Santos from BMW of Myrtle Beach. Today we're talking about driver profiles. Driver profiles can be used to save a specific driver's preferred settings. Additionally, a driver profile can be associated with a specific key fob. Let's get into the car and see how it's done, okay? To get started setting up a driver profile, we'll first need the MyBMW app on your phone. So if you haven't already done so, please go ahead and download that app and go ahead and register and create a login for yourself. Also, we'll need the specific key fob that's going to be associated with the driver profile. We'll need this to be the only key fob in the car throughout this setup process. Turning over to the iDrive system, we'll want to go to the home screen and then click on Car, Driver Profiles. We'll scroll to the right and click Add Driver Profile. And we'll do this via MyBMW app. A QR code is going to be generated. So back over to our phone, we go ahead and click Start Scanning. We'll go ahead and scan that QR code. And then we'll just follow the directions. Yep. We'll click OK on the screen. We'll say Transfer Current Settings and click Continue. And it's now communicating up to our MyBMW account to retrieve information. So continue. And here's where we want to associate the vehicle key that is in the car with this profile. So I'll go ahead and check that box and hit continue. I'm not going to set a pin, but rather I'll just go ahead and continue. And at this point, it recognizes me and is now added a driver profile for myself to the car. Now that my driver profile is active in the car, and you can see on the screen here that my driver profile picture is showing to let me know that I am the active profile, I can go ahead and make some adjustments to the settings. There's the obvious seat adjustments and side mirror adjustments that I prefer. I can also make some changes to my favorites buttons here, and that will be retained to my profile. Let me go ahead and just demonstrate one other setting that we can do. Let's go to let's just say interior lighting, and let's change my ambient lighting preference from lilac to blue. And with that change, that's going to be retained for my profile, and along with the other setting changes that I've done. Next time I come into the car with my key fob, it's automatically going to change me back to this driver profile in case a different user had come in under a different profile, and all these settings will be remembered. There you have it. You can actually set up multiple driver profiles for each car. If you need any help at all getting these set up, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Go ahead and give us your comments below, give us a like, and please subscribe to our channel. As always, we'd love to see you here at your local BMW dealership, BMW of Myrtle Beach.